Hi, I'm Brittany Montez, and this is the Orlando Health News Review for January 29th. Orlando Health Dr. P. Phillips Hospital recently unveiled a time capsule that has been buried in the walls for 25 years. Team members gathered to see the buried treasures left by team members in 2000.
We're getting an opportunity to open up a time capsule that was here for 25 years, look through that segment of time in that day, just to see all the different legacy that's going on and the foundation that's been built for our organization. We had a number of individuals that were here for when the actual time capsule was placed in, and to be able to connect to different things during that time period is something special. You don't get an opportunity like that again, and to see their faces and their jovialness and their ability to connect not only from then but to today, there's nothing more special.
A new time capsule was rededicated to be opened in 2050. And thanks to team members, Orlando Health earned a top 100 spot on Glassdoor's 2025 Best Places to Work list.
We are so proud and excited to get the recent award from Glassdoor. Top 100 is a really big deal, and especially if you think 2.8 million company profiles with Glassdoor. Top 100 in that kind of numbers is fantastic. And why is that? It is because our team members are amazing and contribute to our culture. This award is granted to us because of surveys that are completed by our team members who brag about our culture at Orlando Health. That has raised our star ratings with Glassdoor to 4.2. That's amazing. It's also an amazing recruitment tool because Glassdoor is a front door for many of our new recruits, and they get to hear from our team members how amazing it is to work at Orlando Health. I am proud to be part of Orlando Health and proud to work with all of you, our team members who make our culture great.
And recently, a ribbon cutting was held to celebrate the move of Seminole County Public Schools Wellness Initiative Program, a partnership between Seminole County Public Schools and Orlando Health. Our goal is to promote health and wellness for SCPS employees.
We started the very first wellness center in the partnership we had with Seminole County Public Schools was in 2019. And because of the great care delivered and how much folks love using Orlando Health Services, we outgrew it. And really the team within occupational health came together and over the past year built this expanded facility. And I will tell you, we preach all the time a couple of things, right? We preach preventative care, we preach wellness, and we also preach access to care, making sure that people who need us are close to us.
And let's hear from Ultima Espino, who is both a team member and patient, about her experience at Orlando Health Jewett Orthopedic Institute.
I don't say this lightly. I was practically almost paralyzed in bed for at least 4 days. The scariest part was not knowing what it was.
There are only a limited number of things associated with premenopausal osteoporosis, and one is pregnancy and lactation-induced osteoporosis. In my research, it seems like it's between 4 and 5 women in 10,000 have this happen. You know, maybe 1 or 2 fractures kind of go unnoticed. If someone just has back pain, you know, it's very common post-pregnancy. Whereas, you know, someone like Ultima who had multiple vertebral fractures and a lot of pain, that wasn't going to go unnoticed.
I think some women may be put into a category that they're postpartum, and so if they have a complaint about their back or an ache or a pain, that it just fits in that bucket and they move on. And if I can help anybody going through this with a light at the end of the tunnel that you will get better, that's why I'm doing this.
And here are a few dates to know. Check Swift for all the details. That's it for today's edition of the Orlando Health News Review. We'll see you next week.